Hi, my name is Dawn.
Hi, my name is Rocco.
And welcome to our kitchen. And what are we making today?
Chicken wings.
These are super easy and our favorite. They're just so easy to make that you can have chicken wings anytime you want. Now, this is not an air fryer recipe, and not deep fried. It's baked in the oven. Super easy, and let's get going. Okay, let's pull out our ingredients, which are almost nothing. You're going to need chicken wings, and you can use whatever quantity you want for your meal. We're going to need salt, and we like kosher salt the best, but you can use regular table salt if that's all you have. And pepper. That's it, just those three ingredients. For our tools, we are going to need, you'll just need a large mixing bowl and a pair of tongs. And we'll need a cookie sheet, and we're going to line it with our heavy-duty foil. Because, Rocco, it's the heavy-duty foil, and you really want to use these because these stick. So, pull out the heavy-duty stuff. So, let's get started. First thing that we're going to do is we're going to line our cookie sheet. And this is how we do it. So, our trick is we put our cookie sheet upside down and we pull it out. And so our easy way to line it is to fold it in like a present. Make good crisp edges, and then when we flip this over, it just gets super neat and easy in our pan, and sorry for all that rustling. Now you're going to want to spray this really well with cooking spray. Okay, and we'll put this aside for the moment. Okay, we want to preheat our oven to 450 degrees, and we want the rack in the middle. To our chicken wings, we are going to add salt. Now, it depends how many chicken wings you have. Again, this isn't an exact recipe, although I'll link a recipe general down. So for about 3 pounds of chicken wings, I add about 1/8 of a cup of salt. I don't really measure, I look at it. You want a good amount of salt, and I know that's about 2 tablespoons. You want to make sure it's well covered with the salt. And then you want to add as much pepper as you like.
That looks like so much.
I know. But there's lots of chicken wings, and you want the salt on all of it. Now, I've seen many recipes that include baking soda because it really crisps up the skin. But there is something about that baking soda that adds a taste that I can taste. So I prefer not to do it. This will produce really crispy chicken wings. Just salt and pepper. And now what we do, Rocco, is we want to just mix this over and over again. You want to make sure it gets really well mixed. And now all we have to do is put it on our cookie sheet. Now, a lot of recipes will have you putting it on a rack. And honestly, that rack gets so hard to clean. I just skip that. We've sprayed this really well. They are going to be a little tough to get off, but we'll manage, and they'll turn out so crispy on the bottom. Now, when you put them on the pan, if you can make a little space between them, they're going to cook a little bit better. But honestly, I bought in the big pack from Costco and squished it all on one pan, which it will fit, and they're tight, and they turn out super good and crispy. Now we just put them in the oven for 1 hour. Keep an eye on them because your oven might be a little bit different, but we will do that as well, and we'll see you when they're nice and cooked in about 1 hour. So when your chicken wings look that great, it's time to pull them out of the oven. Ours actually took an extra 5 minutes, but it's a new oven, so I'm just getting used to it. And as soon as it comes out of the oven, you're going to want to grab your spatula, and I always found the downside is best, and you'll want to get them off and lift them up from the bottom so they don't stick. Because while they're still super hot, and look at how crunchy they are on the bottom, Rocco. Okay, and now our cleanup is just throwing this away, and we don't have that wrap to deal with. We hope you can see how crispy and crunchy they are. Oh, they look unbelievable. Super good. We're gonna let these cool. We're off to eat these now. Yum. I hope you saw how super easy and quick this recipe is. I hope you give it a try, and until next time, keep cooking. Good, Rocco? Good?
Yeah.